Hey there, my name is Jimmy Dempsey, and I'm excited to talk to you about our two-way texting feature, which keeps you connected with your customers and technicians like never before. With two-way texting, you'll be able to communicate more efficiently with your customers and your employees by sending and receiving text messages. No more hunting down emails or making call after call to get the answer you need. Plus, you can manage and track all your text messages right inside the Fullbay platform. Did you know that text messages are more likely to be opened and reviewed compared to voicemails or emails? Everyone wins. Your customers get information much sooner, and you can get back to the real business of wrenching. If you want to save time, increase efficiency, and improve customer engagement, get in touch with us to learn more about how two-way texting can rev up your shop.